Hey guys, welcome back. Nautical Ninja here. So there's this problem in Roblox where if you try to import an object, for example this chair that I made for a Roblox game, it will say there's more than 10,000 triangles. Now, in order to solve that, people say split your object into separate parts and just export it like that. So like I'd take this seat and export it, but I'm not going to do that because it's going to take forever. So I found a way. So as you see, it's 7 million triangles, so you can't just split it in half. So I found a way to make it so that there's less triangles. So first, what you want to do is select an object that has a high amount of triangles. Add a modifier. Oh yeah, by the way, to check how many triangles it has, you want to triangles. So anyways, go to decimate. And for example, for this chair, I did 0.0001. It will take a while. It's supposed to do that. And boom. As you see, it just went down by 1,000,000. Now your seat will look bad, or whatever you just decimated, but there is a way to fix this, and I will show you. You got to go, once again, not used to this version of Blender. I'm usually used to 2.79. Yeah, shade smooth. Let's see if that works. Essentially, if you clicked it, it would fix the whole thing without actually subdividing it. Yep, as you see, it looks perfectly fine. You gotta apply your modifier. This takes a while, guys. I'm sorry. But let's see if it's still recording. Yes, it is. And boom. Now you're probably just like, but Musa, you still have 6 million triangles. All you need to do is do this for all of them. So this one, decimate ratio 0.0001. Some of them have to be 0.001. It just depends on which one you is and how many triangles you have. If you have a lot of triangles, like 1 million per whatever it is, 1 million per object, then you do like have to, like you 100% have to do 0.0001 because you probably subdivided it a lot. Oh, yep, as you see, 4 million triangles. That will just minus another million and 100,000, maybe 1,200,000. And these arms, for example, now let's just decimate these. Oops, that was build, that was not decimate. Alright, let's just decimate this. Alright, you just gotta wait. Oh wait, did I forget to apply? Always remember to apply. Because if you don't, you might accidentally, it doesn't really matter, but you might accidentally edit it, and it could always change, so just always remember to click apply. I think I did click apply. But yeah, basically you do that the whole time, and bye.